Hi, today we're going to look at writing a report, so a quick recap. First of all, reports are formal. Okay, how can we make our writing more formal? 4 simple ways, or 3 simple ones and one a little bit more difficult. So, how to make it more formal? Firstly, avoid contractions. I'm, for example, becomes I am. Think about your vocabulary. About can be approximately. Avoid repetition. And can be and, also, plus, etc. Okay. And finally, if you're confident, passive tense makes things more formal. Okay. Now let's look at the structure. Okay. So we're going to start an assessment report by to, the person you're writing to, from, yourself, full name, the date, and the subject. This is the title. Your first title can always be introduction. Let's have a look at what we put in there. Here we put what you are doing and why. So imagine I ask you to review the classrooms we are studying in. A suitable introduction could be something like this. As requested, I have visited the study rooms used by ESOL students to see if they meet the required standard. After this, we move on to the main body, and each section of the main body has its own title. This title you need to choose, depends on the question that you're given. For example, if we are looking at these study rooms, maybe I could put the room number there. And have this section about a different room. Okay. In each section, we will put the facts. 20 tables, modern whiteboard. Remember this, using words like this, I've crossed it out because that might be an opinion. Here we need the facts. Comfortable chairs, opinion of fact. Sometimes it's a little bit hard to decide. A little small. Okay, some of these tables, facts might be neutral, some of them might be positive. Okay, for example, these are positive, a little bit small is probably a negative fact. Okay, so we need to think about this when we're looking around somewhere, deciding what to go in. Put the facts in, not your opinion. Okay, and we do this for each of the sections. Final section is the recommendation. Here we need to go back to the top and answer the question considering all the information in the previous paragraphs. So if you've got mainly positive information there, you're probably going to come out with a positive recommendation that you believe it's good enough. If it's mostly negative, then you're going to say it's not good enough. Okay, remember why you are doing it. Okay, and we are doing it because, okay, to see if it's the required standard for ESOL students. So that's what we need to refer back to. Okay, so we can write a ending like this. Okay, so the recommendation can finish something like this. To sum up, the positive aspects are, and you can list them. However, maybe a negative aspect. And then you need to come to some balance. If these are opposite, okay, I therefore believe the study rooms are or are not. You make a choice. If there's more negatives here and if only 1 or 2 positives, you can choose are not, aren't you? Suitable for the needs of ESOL students. So here we're answering the question or what is asked of you at the beginning. Make sure you do that. Okay? And that's a simple way to write a report. So I will set your homework and please do it.